Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we'll be looking at the euro dollar. So what I have here is euro dollar on the 4 hours, and I just want to show you guys that I believe that the trend would have changed. Okay, in terms of market structure, we actually see euro dollar making lower highs, right? Lower highs, okay, and lower lows, right? Lower lows. Okay, however, if we were to focus in this area, right, we actually see that the market, instead of making a lower low, has been making lower highs now, right? So this, I believe, is causing the change in the trend, right? It's a clue to telling us that the trend has changed. Furthermore, if you were to draw a trend line, okay, from this high over here, and try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle bodies, all right, we see clearly that there is already a breakout. All right, so what we can expect price to do, okay, if we were to do a Fibonacci retracement from this last high, okay, this is the 4 hours from the high to the low, we see that the 61.8 falls very nicely in line with the graphical overlap resistance over here. All right, so this 61.8 can be our intraday target. Okay, it can be our take profit, right? And we also, with this breakout, right, we can expect price to come back to test the trend line breakout. Okay, so what I'm thinking price could do is it could push back down to this level here, all right, and then push higher to the take profit level. Okay, reason why, let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, let's ignore this 4 hour trend line. Okay, on the 1 hour, if we were to connect all these lower lows, higher lows, okay, with another trend line, okay, we see the trend line holding this really well, all right. And if we were to do a retracement of the last movement, right now price is drifting sideways, low to high. We see that the negative 61.8 is in line with our 4 hours 61.8 retracement, okay. And what we can expect price to do is we can expect price to push down lower, all right, at least to this graphical support, right, this graphical overlap support over here. All right, so this 38.20, this falls in line with 38.20 as well. This can be our entry. All right, and the stop loss, I will actually make the stop loss a bit wider at the 78.60 level. Okay, so this will be a stop loss. I would actually back up the stop loss a bit to give the trade a bit of room to breathe. All right, and of course, the partial take profit that we have can be at the negative 27 level. All right, so this works out to be a very nice risk reward. Okay, more than 1:2, right? So this is the idea that we have. Okay, waiting for price to pull back down to a strong graphical overlap level, which finds confluence with Fibonacci 38.2 retracement. All right, and then we'll play the bounce from there. Last but not least, we can also include indicators, right, like momentum indicators such as moving average and MACD. And we actually see that our price is now above the moving average and MACD is above 0, showing that price is within a bullish environment. So that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. I wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.